how to choose the best seats on Air Arabia. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can choose the best seats on Air Arabia. So choosing the best seats can enhance your travel experience, and it's simple. There are two ways to do that. All right, you can choose your seat while booking the flight, or after you book the flight. So let's say, for example, you book the flight and now you want to choose a seat. So the next step is, after launching the application, is to click on the manage icon, which is found in between book and in between check-in. And so once you've done that, you'll be taken to, once you click on manage, you'll be taken to the page where you would see all of your bookings displayed. Now for me, I have not made any bookings on Air Arabia. That's why it's displaying no bookings found. But for you, see all of your bookings here. Or instead, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to enter in your booking reference number and your passenger's name. So once you type that out, you will see that particular booking whose reference number you've entered into the box displayed. And so once you do that, on the page, select the select seat option. All right, just click on the select seat option and follow the instruction on your screen to choose your preferred seat. Confirm the selection, and then you might be asked to pay or not depending on the seat you chose. Go ahead and make your payment, and that particular seat will be chosen for you. All right, it's that simple. Okay, choosing a seat is simple and straightforward on Air Arabia. So ensure you try it out. Thank you and have a good day.